Hey guys, in this video I made Doctor Octopus arms with working claws, and I made this without any electronics. To begin with, I designed the vertebrae for this from scratch, and if you are building these arms, I have given templates in the description below. Just paste this template on the cereal box cardboard and cut the pieces. I will be making 12 vertebrae for this arm. X-Acto knife is very useful to cut the inner circles of vertebrae. It took me quite a while to cut all the circles with detail. Once the inner circles are complete, we can cut outer lines of these vertebrae pieces. For the side supports, I cut strip of 12.5 cm with 2 grooves on either sides. Later, using super glue, I coupled them with these pieces. For additional details, I will be using this square and rectangular strip of cardboard pieces that goes along with the side of side strip. For the claw, I made this easy template by taking reference of previous main pieces. You can find this template in the description box below. Like earlier, you can trace or paste this on cereal box. Later, cut them using scissors. To make the claws foldable, I divided the whole into 3 pieces. And to improve the strength and add extra details, I will be using cardboard strips. To add additional details, these small L-shaped pieces are glued around the claws. To highlight this, I will be coloring this part with black, while rest will be silver. To avoid any bending, I added few extra strips of cardboard to all these parts. This entire arm is colored with metallic silver. To assemble all these parts into a single arm, I will be using 3 pieces of wire and 1 tube, which runs at the center of this arm. Knit all these parts together and trim off extra wires from the top and bottom. For the base, I will be using this circular cardboard. Ensure to have a firm base and use super glue to couple everything up. To make the foldable mechanism, I used fish wires that runs along with these small tubes, and for pullback action, elastic bands are used that will be glued at back side of these claws. Connect fish wires to all these 3 claws, and at the end these 3 wires will be tied with only one wire that will be controlled by the small lever made from popsicle stick. Once everything is done, test the claws. You might need to make few adjustments if the claw movement is low. I hope you enjoyed this idea. For templates, make sure you check out the description box. Thank you for watching.